Guys, shout out tayo pero hindi sa TV, dito tayo sa laptop. Ito, transfer natin to. Yan. Ito sa laptop, pero nakakonect din sa TV na not so big, hindi masyadong malaki. So ginawa yung TV namin to, it's a Sharp TV na tapos ginawa ko na sa screen dahil sira yung screen sa laptop. Mabuti ito malaki. Ayan, no? We have a bigger screen. Okay, let's start the shout out to Boss DGM Mix Vlog. Ito yung mga film niya or videos. Okay, shout out Bossing. More on travels, moto vlog travels. Maganda yung place nila. Try to visit his page, guys. Okay, si Bossing. Next is my friend, singer friend, Korean friend, good singer with an awesome voice, Mr. Young Wong, Korean singer. Shout out, sir. This is fun or vlogs, videos. Shout out Mr. Young Wong. Then DJM Mix Vlog, Bossing. Next is from Hong Kong, PV Ayu Agustin. Sounds like Filipino. Surname niya is parang Filipino, but I think he's not a Filipina, but he's working in Hong Kong. Okay, the vlog more on foods or dishes, yummy dishes. Okay, I'm playing with this video from Cortland Travels. Yeah, Cortland Travel. Shout out, Mom. Cortland Travel. I'm playing your video right now. Okay, so just leave it here and continue for my vlog or shout out vlog. Okay, Phoebe Ayum Agustin, shout out. Yummy foods, yummy dishes, good recipes. Okay, next is Shadow. Good music, awesome views. Try to visit this channel. Okay. Next is Ma'am Lisa and Sir Tony Vlog. Yan. Foods, travels, shopping, nandiyan na lahat. Okay. Sa Walmart, Dollar Tree, sa Amerika. Amerika to. Saka meron siyang cover song, gospel song yata to. It's a capella style of singing, no instrument background. Yeah, like this. Change my heart of God. It's a capella style song. Magaling na singer din si Ma'am. Check their channel, Miss Anthony. Next is Desmond Vlog from Japan. Okay, yung dalawa kong anak nandun sa Japan. Okay. Yung isa with her husband, American husband. Isa yung anak ko nag-visit lang sa kanila. Shout out, Mom. Ang Ganda ng Japan, oh. Oh, tingnan nyo. Oh. Ozam place with Ozam people. Okinawa travel. So, wow. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, next is the Korean Prince, best singer and guitarist. It's a Healing Live. Okay, this is Swedes, more on cover songs, guitar, the guitar man. We'll play one video each channel. Okay, this one. Okay. Next is PB Agustin. Chant, ito lang. Play this one. Okay, error. So we have already an what do you call this? Add this one. But it's still loading. Oh, sige lang. Lalabas din yung ads. Okay, next shadow. Next is shadow. This one we have to play one video. It's gone channel. Okay. And hindi skip yung ads. No skipping ads every channel. What a friend in the hand. So, okay. Yan. So, ato ang wait lang sa sandali. Okay. Yan o. Si Boss DJM. I'm playing your video right now. Okay. This is awesome. The view is fantastic. Yan, motovlog siya. Yan. Si Pusing. Oh, ganda ng view. Ito, wala pa yun. Nag-loading pa yun ba? So, medyo mahina na yung laptop nito. Laptop is very slow. Keep on loading anyway. Let's proceed to another one channel. Jasmine, we have to Jasmine vlog. One video each. Okay, here you go. Then Mr. Healing Live, one video each. Okay. Then see you next vlog, next set out, guys. Pusing. Ilonggo ko siya. Si Pusing. Isa na lang.